Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see the online test pattern for the Thinkitive Technologies. This was the mail which I had received previous year in 2020. uh, Previous year I had also applied for this Thinkitive Technologies, and I will tell you what was the selection process, how many coding questions they had asked, aptitude questions, selection process, and also they had shared two documents with me. I will show you in this video further. Okay, so this mail I had received on 5th December 2020, and my online test was on 6th December 2020. Okay, for the Thinkitive Technologies. In the previous video I have posted the recent off campus drive for the Thinkitive Technologies company. So I recommend you, all those who are watching this video, please apply before watching this video, please apply for the Thinkitive Technologies first. So you can apply before the link expire. Okay, so what they had sent mail to me: we are happy to inform you that you have been shortlisted for the Thinkitive's fresher selection process. Please find the round details below. So selection process was online test, online assessment, coding plus aptitude was there. There were two coding questions in the I will tell you in the next video what coding questions they had asked to me. Okay, I will make another video. Then after that, first technical round, second technical round, and after that there was manager round. Okay, this mail is regarding first round of interview, that is online assessment. Kindly check attached PDF of online test platform and sample test pattern so that you will get a familiar with platform. And also you can check freshers interview process on Glassdoor so that it will help you to prepare for your interview process. Online test details and instructions we will share what they had mentioned. We will share a test link with you on 6th December 2020 at 11 am, and it will be active from 11 am to till 11 pm. Okay, as I earlier said that I will post coding questions which were asked in on this date, 6th December 2020. I will post that as well. And one more thing that I want to tell you, that they will keep active they will keep your test link active for the whole day, so my time was 11 am to 11 pm. Between this time I need to give exam anytime, 4 pm, 6 pm, 8 pm, like that. Okay, so I had given exam 11 time at 11 am itself. Okay, so what I will do now, those who have registered for this off campus drive, for those candidates I will post coding questions which were asked previously, plus whenever my exam will conduct, I will post that question as well. Okay, I will post another video on that questions as well, so that you can prepare and you can give your test at any time between this time. But I can't I'm not sure about the timing as well. It can be 10 am to 10 pm or 9 am to 9 pm, like that. Okay, but yeah, Thinkitive Technology always keep their test link active for the whole day. Between the whole day you can give your test at any time. Okay, so before taking test I will post the video which questions will be asked. Okay, like that. Then test duration is 60 minutes for coding as well as MCQ aptitude questions. Okay, so webcam is mandatory. You should have stable internet connection. Switch off your all pop-up windows, otherwise test will log out automatically. Okay, so it's not allowed to go to another window or tab. Then the platform will automatically save your code. Do not use Ctrl plus yes button to save your code. To pass the test case you must to pass the test you must have to attend both the sections, coding plus MCQ. The test will contain simple programming questions and you can code in using any programming language. So there is freedom to use any programming language that you are familiar with. So the performance in this initial assessment determines your qualification chances for the further rounds of interview. Okay, so at my time when I had given this online test, they were asked two coding questions. and out of two, one, if you execute one coding question, then also you will get shortlist. Okay, and suppose if you execute one coding question with one test case, then also you will get shortlisted mail. If I repeat, if you execute one coding question successfully, then also you will get shortlisted mail. And if you execute only one coding question with only one test case, then also you will get shortlisted mail. Note this point. Okay, now they don't now what they have mentioned here, they don't give another chance to reattempt or reattempt this test again. Okay, so they had shared this test pattern with me. Okay, so percentage 50 percentage, time taken 45 minutes. You can see here the sample MCQ questions mentioned here. Score, how much point you will get if you solve a one question. Is it easy or medium or hard question? You can see here, this is multiple type of, which type of question is this. Okay, so they will mention here. Okay, so for all question they will mention here, multiple choice, easy, how many marks you will get. Okay, and one more thing, there is no negative marking. There is no negative marking. So these are this will be the test pattern. You can see the coding pattern as well. The first question is Pascal triangle. You can write your code in any language, any programming language. You need to write your code here, then you can test your code and you can test your test cases. If you execute one test case also, then also you will get mail. Okay, next is reverse the string. You can check here. Okay, so this is the test pattern for the Thinkitive Technologies. I will show you the another document, candidate coding guidance. Okay, you can, from here you can select your any programming language that you are familiar with or that you want to do the code. Then you need to test your code. Test case, it will show the test case is passed or failed. Okay, so read the error message in the chat box and correct your program if necessary. Then check against custom test cases. Okay, so you can give your input from your end and you can run your code like this. Then last step is to submit your code by clicking submit. You need to submit your code. Okay, so sample solution they have provided here. Problem statements, you are asked to calculate factorial of sum of some small positive integers. Okay, so they have provided the code in multiple languages: C, C++, Java, Node.js, JavaScript, PHP, Perl, Python. Okay, so all these languages they have provided the code. These are some sample questions. In the next video I will post coding questions which were asked for this Thinkitive drive. Okay, so if you haven't applied yet for the off-campus drive, please apply before the link get expire. And thanks for watching this video.